Hi, today in front of me MOTOROLA Moto G13 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. Now we can see the new created home screen folder. If you wanna make it just by the same way, you can add here also just more application. Just hold it up and drag it to the home screen folder, to the new created folder. If you want to give a name to this folder or just rename it, click here to edit name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Then just tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. To move folders between the screens or on the screen, here we should just hold the folder and drag it to the left or to the right side of the bottom. Also we can just remove the application from the folder by just press and just hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to stay with this up on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the holder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, if you want, you can remove all of the applications with the folder just in one click together. So just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.